Hello guys and welcome back to Leisure Levy. Today guys we're playing Airsoft in the Chambers in Belgium, one of the biggest outdoor locations of this country.
Kom maar, we rushen naar die monastery daar.
For those who don't know what Airsoft is, let me explain very quickly. Airsoft is a sport where you shoot with replica guns and tiny plastic balls on other players. If you're hit, you yell hit and you go back to the starting point of the game. We're on Team Blue, so we start all the way east of this map. We are playing Team Deathmatch and me and Falco are going through the southern flank.
Minstens 1, 20 meter. Zo ver mogelijk links aan de grens. Achter een boom.
We saw some other teammates who were spawning on the front line. They saw one enemy. Off boss we encountered at least 5 enemies. Falco gets shot and I barely escape through the rain of BBs. Unfortunately, one enemy sees me hiding and he takes a very clear shot at me. I get hit and go back to the camp.
Hoeveel koers heb ik nog?
Second try, I run out of the spawn and immediately an enemy throws a smoke grenade. I'm behind cover and I have some time to check my ammo. So, current situation. We're completely pushed back to our spawn camp. There are at least 6 enemies in the castle and they're all on upper floors, so they can easily shoot us when we leave our spawn camp. I tried flanking to the left side here, but
hit!
Got shot again. Another try, infiltrating the big castle, because that's where most enemies are and it's also our biggest obstacle. But if we do that with a big group, they notice us and we have a rough time, so we have to do it very stealthy. Here I'm walking with a teammate and we're immediately under fire. We nearly can get away.
Okay. Ik ben hier, kom eraan. Ja.
Dan kunnen we helemaal voor links achter.
We decided to enter the castle through its basement. It's really dark over here, as you can see. We barely couldn't see anything. We see another teammate of us get shot by our opponents. They're obviously guarding the entrances. We see a narrow stairway all the way to the upper floor. We take it. There are at least 5 enemies on this floor and we are only with 2. So we have to do this very tactical or else the game is lost. I shoot one enemy and my teammate shoots two, but he gets shot unfortunately.
Bang bang.
I shoot one enemy with the bang rule, which means I can call bang if he is in a very close range instead of really shooting him.
Gaat hij? Oké.
I see an enemy guarding the staircase. I sneak up behind him and I knife kill him.
Nice kill. Sorry man, ik wil je niet laten schrikken hè?
Geen probleem.
Team blauw, team blauw, team blauw, team blauw. Ik heb alles gekleerd hier. We hebben er een stuk of 6 opgeruimd hier.
More teammates are entering the building and there's a small firefight on the west entrance of the building. Our teammates throw a grenade and got the last enemy.
Ja, heb je? Nice!
Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more Airsoft videos in the near future. This was Leisure Levy, over and out.